What's up, guys? It's your favorite math teacher here, and today we're talking about how to solve equations with variables on both sides. And so you'll notice that I wrote this twice because, well, I want to kind of show you two different ways to go about it. And so the thing is, it doesn't matter if you look at the problem on the left or the right, there is a variable on both sides, right? This left side has 3 x's, and this right side has 5 x's. And generally, when we solve equations, we have variables on one side. So my strategy is always move it to the side that has more, meaning the right side has more because there are 5 x's instead of 3 x's. And so when you move something from one side of the equal sign to the other, you do the inverse operation or the opposite. So that's a positive 3x, so I just do minus 3x on both sides. That cancels out. I still have 2 equals 5x minus 3x is 2x, and I still have minus 6. Now you just have a two-step equation, so you just get x by itself. I could add 6 to both sides to make that cancel out. And now this says 8 equals 2x. My last step would be divide each side by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, so x equals 4. The reason I wrote this twice is I want you to see maybe you're having a hard time, right? Maybe there's negatives and you don't know which side is more, and let's say you move them over to the left. That's fine. It actually doesn't matter. Either way, you will get the same answer as long as you do it correctly. So let's say instead of subtracting 3x from both sides, I subtract 5x from both sides. Minus 5x, minus 5x. Just note here you are going to get into negative territory, so maybe have a calculator handy so you don't make mistakes on your negatives. 3x minus 5x is negative 2x. I still have plus 2. These canceled out, and that is a negative 6, not a 6. Remember, the symbol always goes in front of the number. So now there's a two-step equation, so it says plus 2. So I will subtract 2 from both sides. So now I have negative 2x on the left. Negative 6 minus 2 is negative 8. So I will divide each side by negative 2, since there's a negative 2 in front of the x to get it by itself. 2 negatives make a positive, and so 8 divided by 2 is 4. So either way, you end up with x equals 4. So remember, first step, move your variable so there's only one.